Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish rice soup. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of white fish fillets, like cod or tilapia, 1 cup of cooked white rice, and 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. You will also need 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a small dash of sesame oil. These simple components are the foundation for a comforting and delicious meal. Next, let's prepare our main ingredients. Cut your fish fillets into 1-inch pieces. This size cooks quickly and is perfect for soup. Make sure your white rice is already cooked and cooled. Using warm rice can make the soup too thick. Lightly season the fish pieces with a pinch of salt and a grind of black pepper. This simple step enhances the natural flavor of the fish, preparing it for the broth. Now let's get the soup cooking. Pour the 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth into a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Add the 1/4 cup of chopped ginger to the simmering broth and let it infuse for about 5 minutes. This creates a wonderfully aromatic base. Finally, stir in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a small dash of sesame oil, balancing the flavors perfectly. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the 1 pound of seasoned fish pieces to the simmering broth. Let them cook gently for about 3 minutes, or until they are just opaque and flaky. Then, stir in the 1 cup of cooked white rice, allowing it to heat through for another 2 minutes. Serve immediately and savor this comforting, flavorful fish rice soup. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.